Today I'm going to prune our oldest Japanese maple on our property, which is the Bloodgood. As you can see behind me, it's about 20 feet in height. So that would be about 6 meters. Now I'm going to make selective cuts and bring the crown down on the left side so it gives it a more even balance. Now this is the first time I'll be pruning this tree since we transplanted it into the garden back in 1991 or 92. It had been in a container already then for well over 20 years. So this tree is about 60 years old, and I'll go step by step as I prune, showing you how I make cuts. Now I'll be using my still with a nice little compact 25 centimeter or 10-inch blade. It can make a very fine cut, and what I'll do is I'll cut a lot of the main limbs. I'll trace them down to the main stalks, and I'll cut them approximately 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter from the main stalk, just to give a bit of clearance, and this will make a nice clean neat cut. And then of course I'll trim it up with the small pruners. I'll be doing it at a faster time frame. Of course this will take me quite some time, so I'll describe as I go with text on the screen. So here we go. So I've made 2 strategic cuts with the chainsaw, and you can see I've brought down that left side. Now it's looking fairly uniform. Now it's just a matter of making a few strategic smaller cuts just to bring it into a nice overall shape on either side. Now looking at the tree, I need to make one more strategic cut with the chainsaw. Up to my left or your right, there's a cluster sitting quite high, so I'm going to follow that limb and bring it down to a main stalk, and that should be the last cut of the tree. So I'll just set up and make the cut. Okay, got it done. It didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would. There were just 3 really main strategic cuts with the chainsaw, and then some minimal pruning just to balance things out on the lower end and then on the crown of the tree. Here's a couple of photos. to show you how it looks overall. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate you watching, and thanks so much. If you do choose to subscribe, I will have more videos coming. Thanks so much for watching.